This film presents an example of high animal welfare in pasture-based dairy farming. It demonstrates good financial returns for the farmers and the dairy business. Dairy production is Kenya's leading agricultural sector, with almost 2 million small-scale farmers depending on it for their livelihoods.
Dairy farming is so important in this part of Kenya. I live with it. It's part of my earning. So I really want to improve on my cattle, and I really want to learn a lot, and I love dealing with animals.
Ningependa kumarisha maziwa ya ng'ombe, nikibadilisha ma breeds.
Leso's Livestock Breeding Network, LELBREN, was founded in 2004 to provide support to the production and marketing of milk from small-scale farms. What started as a community-based organization of 29 farmers is now a limited company, with a board of directors elected by the membership, which in 2012 stands at almost 4,000 small-scale dairy farmers.
It's a farm organization owned purely by small-scale farmers who have actually come together with a desire to use their dairy animals to improve their livelihood. It has enabled the dairy farmers to sell their milk together and therefore are able to get better prices.
Some farmers in this area have adopted a zero grazing system. This means that the animals are permanently confined in stalls.
Initially, our farmers were using zero grazing systems of rearing animals, and they changed to free-range systems whereby the animals are actually grazing freely, basically because with zero grazing there were a number of challenges. One of the challenges was in relation to mastitis, which is a major problem, particularly when you're talking about zero grazing because of hygienic standards. The other problem was availability of sufficient feeds. In zero grazing, you need a lot of feed material.
Zero grazing tends to be stressful to the animal. Animals started developing mastitis. It became so common, and therefore that affects our production. Pasture is really much better than zero grazing. I love animals. Therefore, I like to see them happy when they are grazing.
Haina uchafu mingi sana kwa sababu ng'ombe zangu zinatembea nje. Ningeweza kupatia mawaida kwa wakulima wenzangu watumia nje kwa sababu haina shida mingi, kwa sababu ng'ombe inakula nje, haina kazi mingi sana.
The core business of LELBREN is centered around the cow and the well-being, the welfare and the health of the cow. That is because when you have a healthy cow, you have quality milk. When you have a healthy cow, you have quality beef and hides, and that means better incomes, better livelihoods, and a prosperous future.
To learn more about how animal welfare is working for people and the planet, go to www.wspa-international.org/farming.